Yes, ma'am. We have started tracking everything now. Tracking with. We can't hear you, ma'am. Are you not? Are you on mute one?
Yeah. Am I audible?
Yes. Now you're audible, ma'am. Now you're audible. It's recording and tracking started. एक minute. Just check. Dipali, just once. Yeah. See, this is the tracking we have started. Huh? Tracking started 0 1 35 seconds. Click to generate report later
ये
one. Tracking.
ट्रैकिंग करना पड़ता है क्या?
Hmm.
ओके ओके, ये मुझे सिखाना, मेरे को नहीं आता ये.
Okay.
दस मिनट दिखाओ.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am. We will wait for a few seconds, ma'am. You will be sharing the screen, ma'am.
Yeah, I will be sharing.
Ma'am, I once just check whether you are able to do it or not, because that's why we've kept this buffer.
So you want me to try it now?
Just try it now. In
Okay.
case, then we are also ready with everything, ma'am.
Sure, sure.
Okay.
दूर हो जाएगा. Are you able to see me?
Yes, Ayans, we are able to see on the screen present.
Can you see my screen?
It is showing everything on your screen, including notifications. Will okay. Screen now yes, yes, it is showing. Yes, yes. Now we are able to see, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, you can stop sharing.
Okay. Stop sharing. तुम बोलो.
I'll just make a quick phone call. Just give me one moment. Uh, Lisa and Gautami, you all keep track of whosoever who will join. Okay?
शेअर स्क्रीन आलं ना म्हणजे स्टॉप झालंय. तिला विचार स्क्रीन शेअरिंग स्टॉप झाली ना.
Yeah, Amrita, my screen is still visible to you, or it is stopped?
It has stopped, ma'am.
Okay, okay.
Lisa and Gautami, please put the message in the group. Ask them to join. They are doing. Murali ma'am has also joined.
You said yesterday you did dry run, no? So
No.
no.
It's working.
It's working, huh?
It's working.
Sure, then I don't need to sit here.
No.
I go there and
You can sit away if you want.
I don't have my headphones. It will all play on it. Plus I need to charge.
Okay.
Very little charge. You mute yourself and give me a call
Okay,
if there's anything. আমি বলবো আমরা ওখানে দীপা বসে আছি
আচ্ছা একবার দীপাকে পাঠাও না এখানটা
ক্লাস নিচ্ছে না
Has Tanushree joined? Has Tanushree joined? Just check, Lisa.
No, ma'am.
Tell Tanushree to join.
Ma'am, she have joined.
She has joined. Tanushree, have you joined? Oh, yes, I can see.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, welcome, Abradita ma'am. We have Murali ma'am has already joined. Murali ma'am, she's vice president. She's a coordinator, co-coordinator for CWE.
Hello, ma'am.
Abradita, you are on mute.
Okay. Thank you, Vasu ma'am. Hello, good morning, Mrinali ma'am. A warm welcome to you. Actually, we got your reference from Swati ma'am. If you remember her, she had
Yeah.
met you at Dastakari. So
Yes,
that's
yes.
how, we connected with you, and we thought it will be good to have a session with our students and you can inspire and motivate them.
My pleasure. That's my pleasure.
So even Swati ma'am is going to join in. Has she joined in?
No, she has not joined.
Okay. So Swati ma'am is also there. She's
नहीं, सब
joining
ठीक है ना?
in.
हाँ ट्रैकिंग चल रहा है रिकॉर्डिंग चल रहा है
Tracking
नो
चल रहा है,
प्रॉब्लम
no
यस
problem?
यस यस
Okay. So it's okay. Hold on. Acha, she's Deepa. Let me introduce her.
हेलो
She is also CWE member and faculty. Muralini ma'am, she's Deepa. Just make your sit over here for some time. We have Muralini ma'am over here. Ma'am?
Hello.
आई कैन सी
Yes.
Hello.
She is Deepa.
हेलो गुड मॉर्निंग
Hello, Deepa.
या हेलो गुड टू सी यू मैम
Thank you. Pleasure.
She is our technical expert also. She helps us. She and Abradita, they help us in all the
Great.
technicalities. So we
Great.
have done everything, all tracking, everything. Well, she has made it. That's why she came to just take around and see whether everything is working fine or not.
Nice. Volume full आहे एकदा चेक करायला हवा. Volume.
I know, print screen. Na? Let them come. Get admitted.
Ma'am, Vasu ma'am,
Huh.
so much light behind you. Your face is not
Yeah,
visible.
I think
No,
you
no,
should
no.
sit on that
I
side.
no, because it is charging over here.
Oh.
I will just move over there.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I'll just
move this side.
I will. Once I'm just out of it, I will move. Thank you, Deepa. Is it okay or no? It's become even
Look
darker.
on this side, Basu ma'am.
I'll sit on that side. You know?
No, left. Come to the left. Your left.
Acha, that side, okay.
Yes.
I'll
Yes, Basu ma'am, better. Now you are visible.
Yes. I'll switch that light on. Otherwise, is it okay?
Okay. Yeah, this is much better. Now we can see you properly.
We'll just check whether ma'am has joined or not.
Yeah.
I'll just have a quick look.
Mrinalini ma'am, did you put up a stall this time at Dastakari?
Not this time.
Okay. It was happening at the Dutch
Yes,
Palace.
yes. I have a schedule next week at my studio itself.
Okay.
So I'm quite occupied with that.
Okay. Do share with us your details.
Sure, sure. I will definitely
Yes.
do visit.
Swati ma'am has not joined till now.
She said, I told her 12 o'clock. So I
Maybe she
think,
will be joining.
yeah, she will. She will for some time, she said. So Mrinalini ma'am, we had some last moment. Jyoti ma'am had fallen sick, so there
Yeah,
was
yeah.
we were
I
not
got to
sure.
know from Amrita.
Yeah.
What exactly had happened to her? Is she better now?
Yeah, she is recovering. She was not feeling well. They were suspecting dengue, but the report has come negative.
Okay.
So she is recovering now. But last minute, just yesterday, Basu ma'am had to take over everything.
Yes, yeah.
So in case
Yeah,
we
he
have-
messaged me.
Yeah, so she had to just, manage everything last moment. But I mean, we wanted to go ahead with it. So, so that it's
Yes.
not postponed. The Swati ma'am has joined.
Swati ma'am has. Good
Hello,
morning,
Swati.
Swati. Kajal ma'am has also joined. Good
Yeah,
morning,
yes.
Kajal. Good morning, Kajal ma'am. Good morning, Swati ma'am. Welcome.
Good morning.
Yes. Mrinalini ma'am, you know Swati ma'am, and she is Kajal ma'am.
Yeah.
Hello.
Kajal.
Hello. Welcome to St. Mira's.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
All of us are CWE members.
Great.
Swati ma'am has specially joined in for you today.
I'm honored.
Swati ma'am, you're on mute. You're not audible.
Hi, Mridali.
Yes, yes.
We made an exhibit once.
Right.
So we were communicating on phone, on WhatsApp.
Right.
So I
right.
thought let's connect now.
Yeah.
So Swati ma'am, whenever she comes across any inspiring entrepreneur, the first thing she does is she comes and shares with us.
Wow.
And
Wonderful.
that's how, yeah, so that's how we connect with you in turn. And that is how, even in this case, it was.
Right, right.
As long as somebody can benefit, I am the way. That's the only thing. Thank you, Pradita.
Not at all, Swati ma'am. It's good for us because that is how we increase our network.
Yes, yes.
I think, Basu ma'am, should we start?
Yes, girls are girls are actively joining. So
joining?
just maybe 1 minute or so we will
Yeah,
wait.
yeah. Okay.
Just
All right.
because they are joining.
Sure.
So I have to admit them, all of them. And we are all ready to go. They are all joining. I had told them to join. It's around 11:50. We have around 60 participants now, ma'am. We'll have more. They are all joining. Abhrita ma'am, maybe we will start now?
Yeah, you can start. Just keep admitting them on the side.
Yes, we'll
Yeah.
start. Yes. Without wasting any time, we will start. Good afternoon, everyone. We welcome you on behalf of CWE, IIC, and St. Mira's College. I would like to briefly introduce the CWE and its associations. CWE was formally inaugurated in the year 2017. It aims to create an environment that promotes and stimulates the spirit of entrepreneurship among the students of the college through various educational programs, events, activities, and research. Just give me a moment. Yes, I will admit them. Sorry, very sorry. It was a proud moment for us. Now this is what? Okay. Multitasking on left hand, I will be admitting them. Very sorry. It was a proud moment for us to collaborate with the prestigious Tata Institute of Social Sciences, and we have set up an incubation center for social entrepreneurship where we make possible for our budding entrepreneurs to explore opportunities in the social space. We have successfully, I'm so sorry, we have successfully set up the institution's Innovation Council and Rural Entrepreneurship Development Cell under the Ministry of Education, Government of India, to promote innovation and entrepreneurship and enable the youngsters establish their own startups. We are delighted to share that we have recently inaugurated the Startup Club and the Intellectual Property Rights Club under the aegis of IIC. Now, before I hand over the session to Miss Lisa, we would like to have a look at a couple of slides. Lisa and Gautami, can we have?
When we started, this concept altogether was very crazy to me. But what inspired me always is Indian art, Indian craft, Indian beats, Indian documents, and rigid art style of paintings. During the 6 years at Crazy Patis, we tried to bring simplest form of art into theory. This journey won't be complete without your endless love, your support, each one of our clients, our friends who stood with us in every walk of our life. Thank you so much for being with us.
We welcome Mrinalini ma'am to St. Mira's. Welcome, ma'am. And I hand over the session to Lisa. Lisa, Baba,
Thank you, ma'am.
take over.
Good afternoon. It gives me an immense pleasure to heartily welcome all of you on behalf of CWE and IIC. It's a delight to host this wonderful session. We would like to thank our principal in charge, Dr. Jaya Rajagopalan ma'am, President, IIC, Dr. Ramavanshi Chalan, and CWE team for giving us an opportunity to organize this webinar. I'm Lisa Beniwal, your host for today's seminar. Today's guest speaker is a very fascinating and encouraging entrepreneur. After working a decade in the IT sector, she finally decided to pursue her dreams. She changed her destiny and became a successful and independent fashion designer and a marvelous stylist. Her love for Indian art and culture led her establish her own startup named Crazy Petals. Her authentic and elegant style made everyone fall in love with the brand. The woman of today and a motivational figure for many of us. I introduce you to Miss Mrulani. We would like you to stay on mute and please share your question in the chat box. Thank you, everyone. I hand over the session to Miss Mrulani.
Thank you so much, everyone, for hearing out here. And hello, am I audible to everyone?
Yes,
ma'am.
Yeah. So I hope everybody is doing great.
Yes, ma'am. Wonderful.
Yeah. So I'm great to present my story in front of you all and introduce Crazy Petals as a label. I hope it will inspire you a bit. Who I am, how it started all, from where I am coming. So these all are small questions to you also. Anybody knows? Have you heard about Crazy Petals before or Mrinalini before? Probably no, because it's a journey. We are yet to reach our destiny, and we are trying our best to make this journey memorable and beautiful as much as we can. It's a journey to pursue our passion. It's a journey to follow our dreams. It's a journey to believe in our dreams, no matter whatever hurdles are coming across your ways. So let me start with myself. I'm a simple girl like you. Simple girl from Maharashtra's Yavatmal district. A simple girl who belongs to Umarkhed Taluka place. I pursued my 12th in Umarkhed and pursued my engineering. To pursue my engineering, I came to Nanded, a district place in Maharashtra. After engineering, like a simple, any common girl come to metro city for searching a job, I came to Pune and I worked happily in my IT sector. I come from very humble background, family background. I am a eldest sister. I have 3 younger brothers. My family background, my father was canvas artist. So art comes from my family itself. He always encouraged me to pursue art, learn new things, and keep ourselves happy about it. So it was just a passion and love for Indian art and craft at that time. I was not aware that there is something within me that will take me long. While pursuing my engineering job profile, I was somehow inclined towards art and craft. And here, living in PG in Pune, my roommates were fashion designing students. So they kept me inspiring always. So in a simple language, the Kira within me took away my passion, and here I am now. So the journey started. To know about my journey, it was a simple decision. Sorry for this. Yeah, I'll take you to the PPT. It will help you to understand the story in brief. 'Cause, 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 Yeah. Is it visible to you all?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, sir.
Yes.
Yeah. So at Crazy Petals, we have started officially in 2014, but while working in IT sector, it was started initially in 2011. So my journey from 2011 till 2020-21. So let me introduce Crazy Petals as name itself. Crazy Petals. Being an IT girl to come to fashion industry and to work specifically into niche segment that is handloom, handcraft, encouraging different type of Indian weaves, Indian art styles. So that was absolutely crazy thing for me and for my engineering surrounding. The moment I introduced this concept to my family members, they were like, why you want to quit the job and get into something which you don't know? Huh. As far as it is your passion, it is your hobby, we are okay. But why this? So this was absolutely my craziness, my madness. So the name, first word crazy is about absolute madness. Art cannot happen without madness, without passionate, without being passionate. And petals are the contributors who are there to contribute to make it Crazy Petals family. My artisans, my artists, my craftsmen, my masters, my tailors who tailor different forms of art and make them into wearable form and present them in stylish, glamorous look to current youth era. So this complete name justifies the Crazy Petals. The petals come together and form a beautiful flower. That is Crazy Petals family. In last 11-12 years, we have reached many verticals, Indian glamour industry, Marathi cinemas, Hindi cinemas. Few of our Marathi cinema stars adoring our creations. I'm sharing a couple of pictures. Yeah. These are what do you say, queen of Marathi cinemas, Vibhavari Deshpande, Sharbari Jaminish, Tejashri. Amruta Deshmukh, Bhargavi Chirmule, and that's me. Who I am, an IT girl inspired by Indian weaves and handlooms. Is that all? No. It needs something more. It needs something extra to add value to it, to make a statement out of it. What encourages you, what motivates you to become and move towards your dream, pursuing your dream, that really matters. The Crazy Petal story started with a small incident. One of my friend, she was pregnant. She couldn't go out and get clothes of her size. So just out of curiosity, I went to see her. What is troubling her not to come out? She said, "Ki Mrinal, I cannot come out, and I'm managing everything alone. Can you please help me to get good clothes?" So my journey started from that small incident. I took a measuring tape. I got it. I got her measurements and got it tailored for her. And it turned out very good to her. So likewise, in my circle, I always used to stand out, considering as far as my clothing was concerned. I used to go for handlooms, fabrics. I used to do mix and match. I used to create some artwork on it. So my dresses were always different in my office. So my HR used to ask me, my colleagues used to ask me, can you tell us from where you are getting these? I used to tell, I'm making it. Let me design something for you. So I have started my journey from there. These were all small, small incidences. Years on years, 2-3 years, I continued doing these for my friends and colleagues. So one fine day, my friend advised me, you are doing so much good. Can't you start your own brand? I said, no, this is my hobby. I love to help people. I love to play with the fabrics. I love to create new designs. So that is all about. But the more I was doing this, I was happy doing this. So my friend came with the idea. So let's start something. Let's design 20 designs of our own and put one exhibition. So in 2011, we did this experiment. In weekends, IT industry, we used to have holiday. Saturday, Sunday, we went to Ishanya shopping mall. That was the only shopping mall in Pune in that time. They used to exhibit on weekends. So we decided to create 20 designs of my size and 20 designs of her size. If we get good response and all the designs got sold, then we will party, or else we will wear those 20 designs. We will keep that for ourselves and be happy. So that was the simple funda where it started from. So we put a display, and one weekend we started in Ishanya Mall. So people have started appreciating. They used to visit our stall and painting on the dresses and cotton handlooms with different twists. Because that time there was not a concept like corporate wear, office attire. There was nothing like that. But for like IT professionals, for doctors, for lawyers, they had to be dressy and create a statement, maintaining their prestigious image. They have to carry their looks as well, but they have to look elegant too. So the designs were created with this thought and this emotion. So it was very easier to connect with people, with those who are looking for something different and unique. So we got very good appreciation. And as far as hand painting was concerned, in our side, people are just known about pillow cover pe hand painting kar liya, cushion cover ho gaya, curtains paint kar liye. So that is all about hand painting that we are coming from. But art can be wearable, and that can also create a statement. So that was something interesting. So people have started appreciating us in very different way. So that was the biggest achievement for us, that apna design to bika. People like the concept. That was really encouraging us. And we were happily doing that. Along with my 5 days a week, I used to enjoy my work, as well as weekend. I was equally passionate and excited for the weekend also. So with the exhibitions, I have started exploring my clientele, exploring people's liking, exploring the inputs. And the best part is your client. They always teach you to do better. Where I have started just doing with dresses and kurtas, but my client taught me to introduce new things to the glamour industry. मृणाल, आपने कुर्ता तो बना लिया, अब मुझे जब साड़ी पहननी होगी, what I will wear in the sari presentation. So people used to ask me. So I thought, let's create some saris, handcrafted designer saris that has a element of art and wearable weaves also. So that way I have started making saris. And अरे मृणाल, साड़ी तो अच्छा बन गया, अब इसके साथ statement blouse भी होना चाहिए. I want to make a statement through my look. My look should speak who I am. So मैंने कहा, yes, that is also a good point. So I have started creating blouses also. Same way, footwears, accessories, everything. So now I am into wardrobe management, consultation, how to carry yourself, how to maintain your look, what to wear, when to wear. So these all inputs were coming from your clients only. So isn't it inspiring? Isn't it interesting? Once you are into that flow, you start taking every suggestion positively and keep on perceiving every day. You keep on adding better of your version. That is how it grows. Entrepreneurship, it's not a one day job. Success, it's not a one day job. It's the endless efforts. There are several stories, several happy moments, several failures. Every day you have to create yourself. Sometimes that design is appreciated, sometimes it is not appreciated, but you should not lose your hope. There, for every design there is a buyer. For every creation there is a person who will value that creation. There is a vision. We are different people with different mindset, with different thought process. So you have to believe in your creation, endless perceiving your passion. That is the only key to continue and to grow. Success gradually comes, and it is just, I think it is just a bonus, because that journey never ends. It keeps on adding. Every experience, every client, every conversation, every new meeting will definitely add an input to your journey, and that's how you keep on growing. Success is counted like this. If the journey is so much passionate and so much happening, you enjoy every moment, and the happy faces around you, the happy clients, happy friends, they contribute into this lovable handloom journey. The motivation for the youth to wear art into wearing, encouraging youth to wear our Indian attire, Indian traditional outfit, sari. What a handloom 6-yard sari can add value to our economy. Making one handloom sari gives 80 people employment. Starting from the silk cocoon, जो बनाते हैं cocoons, from those labor to create into silk threads, and the weaver and the creators and the craftsmen. It is beautiful journey when you get to know, if you buy one single sari, one handloom sari, whether it is silk, whether it is cotton, no matter from which state you are buying, which tradition you are buying, but one single handloom sari gives employment to 80 people. Have you ever heard about this? Isn't it an amazing feeling itself? We spend so much on so many things, but we never think where this money is going. So this is my journey to encourage Indian art and craft. Indirectly, we are helping something. Indirectly, we are encouraging somebody. Indirectly, we are leading something. We are inspiring. Your journey should inspire you first. And बाकी सब तो inspire होते रहेंगे. It should keep on motivating you always. You should not feel like, नहीं यार बस हो गया. Every day is a journey.
Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, a few students, they're very conversant in Hindi, not so much in English. So they want you to speak in Hindi also. So if you can address to them, ma'am. So address to all of us, it will be nice, ma'am.
So entrepreneur बनना, why you want to become entrepreneur? There has to some purpose. मेरे लिए इंडियन हैंडलूम, इंडियन आर्ट एंड क्राफ्ट को एनकरेज करना मेरे लिए पर्पस था. एक ग्लैमर इंडस्ट्री में एक स्टेटमेंट, हैंडलूम को एक दर्जा मिलना मेरे लिए मेरा वो पर्पस था. मेरे काम के थ्रू मेरी पहचान बने, मेरे लिए ये पर्पस था. आपके लिए एंटरप्रेन्योर बनने के लिए क्या मोटिवेशन है? यू हैव टू फाइंड दैट मोटिवेशन. व्हाट इज द पर्पस? व्हाट मोटिवेट्स यू? Being into entrepreneurship, it means earning huge money for you, that also can be a purpose. So you have to clear with your purpose, and that will take you long. It is a baby. Every piece, every creation, every venture is part of you. That is emotion. For me, Crazy Petals is my baby. Every day it changes. It has several moods, and one fine day it grows, and that is absolute happiness. So you have to take care of every your move towards pursuing your passion, pursuing your dream. First thing, no matter what, from where you are coming, for what hurdles you have been through. For me, it was very challenging story. Though my father was an artist, he was a canvas artist. Though he was an artist, but he didn't appreciate this thought. After working in IT industry for 12, 13 years, why you want to quit your job and get total into business? I said, Baba, give me 1 year's time. Let me prove myself. If it doesn't work, I'll come back and will follow what I was doing earlier. There was a hurdle. He didn't speak with me for 1 month. But as soon as he realized I'm serious about my dreams, I'm doing everything by my own, I'm not dependent on somebody else to get my job done. I was very keen about my interior, about my theme of a studio, what I want to give message through every single art and craft, every single what do you say, my curtain, my theme. I was very particular about everything. So that shows your seriousness about your dream. So it took me there. And the most interesting story I would like to share with you all. Coming from Maharashtra background and getting into entrepreneurship, that was again a big challenge for me. So the moment I decided I'll start a label of my own, I started searching for a place where I can display my designs, where I can showcase and I can invite people to have a look to my designs. So I created one theme in my mind and I have started searching for a place. जैसे ही मैंने प्लेस ढूंढना चालू किया, मेरे लिए चैलेंजिंग था कि मुझे कहाँ करना है, बिकॉज मैं 10-12 साल से पूना में जरूर थी, मगर बिजनेस पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से मेरे लिए जगह कौन सी सुटेबल रहेगी, मैंने कहाँ से स्टार्ट करना चाहिए, आई वॉज नॉट अवेयर. 6 महीना मैंने पूरा शॉपिंग कॉम्प्लेक्सेस ढूंढने स्टार्ट कर दिए. लक्ष्मी रोड छानमारा कैंप आई हैव स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम. मॉल्स में देखा मैंने कि मैं कहाँ फिट हो सकती हूँ, बट जो थीम, जो कंसेप्ट मुझे डिलीवर करना था, जो मैसेज मेरे डिजाइन्स के थ्रू मुझे देना था, उसके लिए मुझे मैच्योर क्लाइंट चाहिए. आई नो माई क्लाइंट, मेरा क्लाइंट क्या होगा जिसके लिए मुझे डिजाइन करना था. मेरा वर्किंग वुमन वाज माय क्लाइंट बेस, बिकॉज बीइंग अ वर्किंग लेडी आई वाज नॉट एबल टू फाइंड क्लोथ्स व्हिच आई रियली लाइक. मुझे खादी कुर्ताज बहुत पसंद थे व्हेन आई वाज वर्किंग. आई वाज इनटू आईटी मार्केटिंग, तो मेरे बहुत से मीटिंग्स होते थे जो क्लाइंट फेसिंग होते थे, तो मुझे ड्रेसी लुक भी दिखाना होता था और एलिगेंट भी दिखना होता था, तो मुझे वो मिलता नहीं था. आई यूज्ड टू स्ट्रगल अ लॉट. सो आई गो टू फैब्रिक स्टोर, मैं वहां से कपड़ा उठाती थी, डिजाइन करती थी, सिलवाती थी, फिर अपना कुछ आर्ट एंड क्राफ्ट करती थी. तो इस तरह से मैं अपने डिजाइन के लिए ड्रेसेस के लिए स्ट्रगल करती थी. तो मेरा सबसे पहला टारगेट ऑडियंस ही वही था कि मैं वर्किंग लेडीज के लिए कुछ ऐसा डिजाइन बनूं जो उनको उनके वर्क प्लेस में कैरी करना बहुत इजी हो सके. बीइंग अ डॉक्टर, उनको उनके पेशेंट्स से मिलते वक्त कंफर्टेबल हो वो लेडी. बीइंग अ लॉयर, उनको प्रेजेंटेबल होना चाहिए. बीइंग अ बैंकर, शी शुड कैरी हर आउटफिट विथ वेरी एलिगेंट एंड स्मार्ट लुक. तो इस तरह के थीम लेके मैं अपने डिजाइन्स बनाने लगी और वो कंसेप्ट समहाउ बहुत अप्रिशिएट किया जा रहा था, मगर मैं रीच आउट नहीं कर पा रही थी बिकॉज आई वाज जस्ट एग्जिबिटिंग इन मॉल्स एट दैट टाइम व्हेन आई वाज वर्किंग. जैसे ही मुझे व्हेन आई केम टू कैंप, सो कैंप आई फाउंड अ वेरी वर्सेटाइल मार्केट प्लेस जहाँ से मुझे स्टार्ट करने का मोटिवेशन मिला कि वहाँ हर तरह के ब्रांड्स हुआ करते थे, हैंडलूम्स, कॉटन्स. 2011 की बात कर रही हूँ मैं, 11-14 की बात कर रही हूँ. तो तब बहुत सारे ऑप्शंस नहीं हुआ करते थे. तो वहां पे वो हैंडलूम्स, खादी, इस तरह के शॉप्स होते थे जो लड़कियां ढूंढने आती थी. मैंने सोचा कि लेट्स स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द टॉप. कैंप वाज द ओनली शॉपिंग कॉम्प्लेक्स वेयर वी हैव क्लोवर सेंटर, जहां बहुत सारी चीजें, मतलब फुटवेयर से लेके सारी चीजें आपको मिलती थी. स्टाइलिश फुटवेयर, नॉट अ ट्रेडिशनल, कंटेम्प्ररी, कुछ थीम कंसेप्ट वाइज. People used to come to camp and shop from there. So I decided I'll take a shop in Clover Center. I'll set my boutique there. But being a single, what you say, working IT girl, I couldn't create that impact and find the shop easily. जहाँ की already set business people हुआ करते थे. कैंप में, क्लोवर सेंटर में मैं जब अपना जॉब खत्म करके अपना लैपटॉप बैग लेके जब घूमती थी, कहीं शॉप खाली है क्या पूछती थी, यहाँ वहाँ. पीपल यूज्ड टू लाफ, किसके लिए चाहिए? मैंने कहा मुझे ही यहाँ पे बुटीक ओपन करना है. आप क्या करोगे यहाँ पे? तो ऐसे मुझे 6 महीना लग गया वहाँ शॉप मिलने के लिए. वन फाइन डे आई फाउंड वन कनेक्ट एंड आई डिसाइडेड टू फाइंड द डिटेल्स अबाउट दैट शॉप. सो जो ओनर थे, मैं उनका टाइम लेके उनको मिलने चली गई. He was a successful business person. He had 42 shops in Clover Center itself and more than 100 shops across Pune. तो ही उनको जैसे ही उनके पीए ने बोला कि ऐसी एक लड़की आई है, उनको अपनी बुटीक सेट करनी है क्लोवर सेंटर में, आपका टाइम चाहती हैं वो. तो उन्होंने बोला कि ठीक है, उनको मिलने बुलाइए 4 बजे. आई वॉज देयर बाई शार्प 4 o'clock. सो उनको लगा कि कोई बड़ी औरत होगी, मतलब अच्छी खासी. मैं अपना IT बैग लेके 2 घंटा पहले निकल आई थी ऑफिस से एंड आई वेंट टू सी हिम. तो उनके सामने मैं जैसे ही बैठी, उन्होंने कहा मुझे आप ही से मिलना है. मैंने कहा हाँ जी, मैंने ही आपके लिए आपका टाइम मांगा था. तो ही वाज लाइक कि ओके प्लीज गो अहेड, व्हाई शुड आई गिव माय शॉप टू यू. तो ही वाज वेरी सीनियर पर्सन एंड फादरली फिगर. तो उन्होंने कहा कि मुझे लगा कि आपकी मम्मी या आपकी सिस्टर वो कोई आ रही है बात करने के लिए, तो मुझे अब आपसे थोड़ा डिफरेंट तरीके से बात करना पड़ेगा. तो आई होप यू विल नॉट माइंड इट. मैंने कहा जी पूछिए. तो उन्होंने कहा कि आपका नाम बताता है कि मृणालिनी मखाले, यू आर महाराष्ट्रियन गर्ल और आप IT बैग लेके घूम रही हैं. व्हाट टाइप ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस डू यू हैव? क्योंकि मेरा जो शॉप है उसका तो रेंट ही आपके सैलरी जितना है. तो आप मैं आपको कौन से बेसिस पे दूं? मैं एज अ पेरेंटल फिगर आपको पूछ रहा हूँ कि आई डोंट वांट यू टू मेक एनी लॉसेस इन योर बिजनेस, सो आई वांटेड टू अंडरस्टैंड योर प्लान. तो आपको कोई बैकग्राउंड नहीं है, आपकी डिग्री कुछ और बता रही है, आप जो पैशन बता रही हैं वो कुछ और दिख रहा है. सो आई वांटेड टू अंडरस्टैंड योर स्टोरी, आप कैसे करना चाहोगी. तो मैंने उनको बोला कि मेरे पास कोई प्लान ऐसा नहीं है, बट मैं पिछले 4 साल से जो प्रैक्टिस कर रही हूँ सर, मैं आपको वो बताती हूँ. तो मेरे मोबाइल में जो फोटोज मैं अपने एग्जीबिशंस के लेती थी, जो मैं आर्ट बनाती थी, वो मेरे पास पिक्चर्स थे. तो मैंने उनको वो बताया कि मैं ये एम्ब्रॉयडरी हाथ से करती हूँ, मैं ये हैंड पेंट कर रही हूँ, और ये अपने डिजाइन्स में हर मॉल टू मॉल, अभी तक पुणे में पिछले 4 साल में मैं ऑलमोस्ट हर एक मॉल में मैं एग्जीबिशन लगा चुकी हूँ. तो ये डिजाइन्स मैं वहां जाके बेचती हूँ. और मेरा थीम है कि मैं कॉर्पोरेट लेडीज के लिए कुछ डिजाइन करूं. तो मैं उनके लिए डिजाइन्स बनाती हूँ जो वो उनके वर्क प्लेस पे कैरी कर सके, और उसमें मैं मॉडिफाई भी करती हूँ. उनको कुछ डिफरेंट डिजाइन बना के चाहिए ये हैंडलूम्स का, तो मैं वो कस्टमाइज करती हूँ. उसको कस्टमाइजेशन कहते हैं. 2014 में ये कस्टमाइजेशन चीज बहुत नई थी, तो मैं ये उनके हिसाब से बना के देती हूँ. मैं टेलरिंग नहीं करती हूँ, बट मैं कंसेप्ट डिजाइन करती हूँ, उनका लुक डिजाइन करती हूँ, वो उनके वर्क प्लेस में कैसे दिखेंगी, वो खुद को कैसे प्रेजेंट करेंगी उनके क्लाइंट्स के सामने, उनके स्टूडेंट्स के सामने. तो मैं उनका लुक डिजाइन करती हूँ सर. तो मुझे अपने डिजाइन्स डिस्प्ले करने के लिए अभी एक जगह चाहिए, जो कि मैं अपने ऑफिस टाइम के साथ नहीं मैनेज कर पा रही हूँ. मुझे एक जगह चाहिए. तो क्लोवर सेंटर से क्यों स्टार्ट करना है आपको, उनका नेक्स्ट सवाल था. मैंने कहा क्लोवर सेंटर इसलिए क्योंकि हर वर्किंग लेडी जिसको एक अम्ब्रेला के नीचे सारी चीजें चाहिए होती है, कि मुझे चप्पल भी वहां मिल जाए, एक्सेसरीज भी वहां मिल जाए, वो जो स्ट्रगल करती है लेडी, वो वहां आती है. वो कुछ डिसाइड करके नहीं आती है कि मुझे ये चाहिए वो चाहिए इसलिए मैं जा रही हूँ. वो कुछ ब्राउज करती रहती है, यहाँ से ये वहां से वो. इस तरह की क्यूरियस लेडीज वहां आती हैं, क्योंकि उस कॉम्प्लेक्स में हर तरह की शॉप्स हैं. तो मेरा क्लाइंटल वहां तक चल के आ रहा है. सो मुझे वहां रेडी डिजाइन उनके लिए रखना है ताकि उन्हें पता चले कि वहां कोई है जो उनके लिए उनका लुक लेके बैठा है. एंड द कंसेप्ट क्लिक्ड हिम. तो उन्होंने कहा कि आपका प्लान तो बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है, आपका बैकअप प्लान क्या है, इफ इट डजंट वर्क आप क्या करोगी. अभी तो ये आपके सपने हैं, ड्रीम्स है, सारी चीजें हैं. एग्जीबिशंस करती थी तब तक ठीक है, बट once you go into the shop concept there is a commitment. क्योंकि शॉप जब आप जाते हो, एक शॉप जब आप बनाते हो, इट इज कमिटमेंट. उसको सर्वाइवल के लिए आपको, उसके फिटनेस के लिए आपको बहुत काम करना पड़ता है बेटा. 1000 days is a time period. You have to feed that venture like a baby. 1000 days के पहले अगर आप डिमोटिवेट हो जाते हो और आपको रिवर्स आना होता है, that is not a good practice. Consistency देनी होती है. Every day is a struggle. Every day is a new beginning for you. Every day you have to sell yourself. क्योंकि तुम्हारा पार्ट तुमने उस डिजाइन में डाला है, उस कंसेप्ट के साथ तुम्हारे इमेजिनेशन, तुम्हारे इमोशंस तुम्हें रोज बेचने हैं. कभी वो खरीदने वाला क्लाइंट उसका वैल्यू करेगा, कभी नहीं करेगा. आर यू रियली रेडी फॉर दिस प्लान ऑल्सो? तो मैंने कहा हाँ. पिछले 4 साल में मैंने हर तरह से अपने डिजाइन को टटोला है. मैंने हर तरह का वो फेल्योर देखा है, क्योंकि तुम्हारा डिजाइन अप्रिशिएट किया जा रहा है, इससे भी ज्यादा दर्दनाक होती है वो चीज की उसको क्रिटिसिज्म भी किया जा रहा है, क्रिटिसाइज किया जा रहा है उस चीज को. हे कोण घालतं का? बिंग इन महाराष्ट्र पीपल यूज टू टेल मी की हे कोणी घालतं का? असं पेंट केलेलं हे रंग निघून गेला तर कोण घालणार? आमचे पैसे वेस्ट होणार, हमारा मनी वेस्ट हो रहा है. ऐसे तुम्हारे सामने जब क्लाइंट कमेंट करते हैं, आपको उनको कन्विंस करना होता है. ये सारा चीज मैं एक्सपीरियंस कर चुकी हूँ सर. सो आई वांट टू टेक अ चांस एंड आई वांट टू डेयर दिस. विल यू रियली सपोर्ट मी टू मेक दिस हैपन? So he got impressed and he decided to give his shop to me. It was just 140 square feet shop for me, but it was world for me. I created it with love. I ensured my light theme, my interior, my changing room. That 140 square feet, I tried to make it like a place where everybody should understand the difference. It should create a statement itself. मुझे अट्रैक्ट करने के लिए वहां कुछ कलरफुल लाइटिंग या कुछ अट्रैक्टिव मैनिक्विन्स रखने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ी. मेरा थीम खुद होके बात कर रहा था. इट वाज सो मच इनवाइटिंग. वहां पे 2,000 स्क्वायर फीट के भी शॉप थे, बट माय टाइनी 140 स्क्वायर फीट शॉप वाज सो मच इनवाइटिंग. पीपल यूज्ड टू एंटर एंड दे से कि कुछ अलग लग रहा है. ये उनका स्टेटमेंट हुआ करता था. सो इट यूज्ड टू मोटिवेट मी. मैं क्या बेच रही हूँ, कितना बिजनेस कर रही हूँ, इससे भी ज्यादा मेरा थीम वर्क हो रहा है. इट वॉज इंस्पायरिंग पीपल, इट वॉज अट्रैक्टिंग पीपल. दैट वॉज रियली इंस्पायरिंग मी. सो आई वॉज ऑन 7th cloud. So I used to exhibit simultaneously because from there I have started my journey. I was exhibiting also. I was running my boutique also in Clover Center. And within 1 year, I got opportunity to collaborate with a label called Bold and Elegant on Bajirao Road. It's a menswear showroom. It was a menswear showroom, and they wanted to introduce a ladies section in there. Like बहुत सारे लोग आप जानते होंगे, जय हिंद is a multi-story family concept outlet. So उसी तरह का concept उन्होंने चालू किया था. तो वहां उन्होंने मुझे ऑफर किया कि हमारा लेडीज सेक्शन आप लीड करो. वी वांट यू टू लीड आवर ब्राइडल सेक्शन देयर. तो वहां पे भी मुझे एक अपॉर्चुनिटी मिली. एक सिंपल लड़की जो यवतमाल जैसे सिंपल डिस्ट्रिक्ट से आई हुई है, इंजीनियरिंग परसीव किया है और यहाँ आके 12 साल आईटी में जॉब किया है, और 1 साल के एक्सपीरियंस पे मुझे अपॉर्चुनिटी भी मिलती है 2000 स्क्वायर फीट का स्टूडियो, ब्राइडल स्टूडियो रन करने की. दैट वाज achievement for me, but equally it was a responsibility also, because एक सिंपल आईटी गर्ल, मेरा इतना सेविंग भी नहीं था कि वो लीड करना 2000 स्क्वायर फीट का स्टूडियो में स्टॉक भरना, ब्राइडल स्टूडियो बनाना मेरे लिए बहुत डिफिकल्ट था. मगर मैं पैशनेट भी थी कि मुझे वो करना है चीज. It was inspiring me a lot. So I called a meeting with the partners. There were 4 partners with me. I asked them कि I have a passion to pursue and make wonder in this beautiful place, but I don't have budget to fill the stock to create a theme here. They said no problem. We appreciate that you have motivation to lead this business. Okay, we will help you to that. We will partner with you. We will help you to buy the stuff of your choice and create a theme there. And the story started again in a new way. Here in Clover Center camp, I used to follow my passion for Indian art and craft, Indian paintings. And the theme was, as I said, you corporate ladies. I was creating looks for them, and equally different with the different theme. I was working in Bajirao Road for bridal collection and bridal theme. So the opportunities kept on coming. I was there to serve people. I was there to accept the suggestions, and it went long. Not only in Pune, since beginning, I was very passionate to convey my concept, to convey the theme to the Indians and the Indians overseas also. So I have collaborated with different event organizing companies, like who are organizing events across countries in metros to spread the awareness about Indian handlooms, Indian weaves, art and craft. So Concern India Foundation is a government company. They are working exclusively for Indian weaves and artisans. They gather different artisans, craftsmen, and conducts exhibitions across metro cities in India. So I have done several shows with them. I traveled Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata, Chennai, Bangalore, everywhere, and I displayed my designs and theme and took this art and craft concept to different level. Apart from Pune, I got amazing response from across India. And that was again a big motivation for me that yes, people are appreciating these things. They are coming back with suggestions. They want something new to add to their wardrobe. And of course, huge contributors to the Indian weaving and craftsmanship industry also. So this journey continued for long. And one fine day, I decided after 9 years in a Clover Center, I decided I want to pursue a theme where I can spend more time, more quality time with my clients. So I entered 4 years back. I have entered into Studio Concept. Studio Concept is where the client will take an appointment with you, and there you can do 100% justice with your clientele time. You are there to understand their requirement, get the customization done as per their requirement, as per their budget, and as per their wish. In that, the family combos are there. In that, concept outfits are there. In that, their personal assistance for their wardrobe management is there. I have started attending people on personal level then. And now this is the place where I'm sitting right now. I have created this studio where I display my designs, I showcase them, and I meet people to understand their requirement. It is all about experience now. So how you experience this design, how to carry that, it gives value add to your wardrobe and to your styling also. Every look of yours, it's not only about your occasion wear. It is every day. If you are working 5 days, 5 days you should carry a different look. No matter how much you are spending for that. A simple kurta also can create a massive difference in your look. So it should carry a statement. It is your thoughtful planning of your outfit. So I'm working on this right now. For this, I got contribution from different NGOs, different weavers. In my traveling journey, while I was exhibiting across country, I traveled a lot. and I gathered different art forms from several corners of India and created a amalgamation, fusion, and concept saris, blouses, western wears, and it really worked well because it doesn't matter that how much you are spending. It is what it is. It gives you happiness. It should, your outfit should speak that you want to tell. It should be seen on your face that you are enjoying. So ultimate your happiness through your outfit, that is all I'm working for. I hope I'm clear with the Crazy Petals journey so far. Now I'm open for the questionnaire session, interactive session.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. It was indeed very well spoken, very well said. The girls, our girls will be extremely, they're very receptive. I've seen, you know, from my experience, I've seen our girls are very receptive. They listen very ardently. And also they try to take in. So I'm sure all of them have taken lot of inputs from you, and it has been such a wonderful, a very motivational and very inspirational story. And they will definitely ponder over whatever you have spoken to them. Only one question from my side, okay? Because you being an entrepreneur, okay, and I being an economics teacher, the first thing that crosses my mind is the profit concept. You know, the how do you define your own cost structure? Because, you know, that is also a part of our of the plan of an entrepreneur. So how to decide the cost structure and how to maintain that profit margin? Now they are very young people, so they are not accustomed to you know, price their products.
Right, that's true.
So how to handle that? It is absolutely from my finance and from my economics.
Absolutely.
And this is from my
Totally agree to you.
So if you can some throw some light on that, man.
Yes,
Being
yes.
an entrepreneur directly, you know, capitalist, you're meeting a capitalist. You know, that is what has inspired me. So when we say that the factors of production, land, labor, wage, capital, and entrepreneur. So the first thing that I have been looking at you is an entrepreneur who assumes risks and produces the products which might not be sold in the market.
Right.
So the entrepreneur should be paid the highest. So being a capitalist, how do you price your product? How do you structure your cost? So that part, no, the girls are very young. They do not understand. So if you can so throw some light on that.
Yes, definitely. Many of my, junior designers, they approach me. I'm creating so-and-so designs, how to display it, how to price them. Because I'm working very closely with a couple of NGOs in Maharashtra from Gujarat. So they are just creating something amazing, but they don't know how to sell it, what should be the price for that. So there it comes to whom you are selling, where you are selling, and your cost. Say, suppose you're sourcing something. If I'm making some jewelry, if it is costing me to collect the beads, to collect the thread, to collect the pendant, 10 rupees to create the piece. You have to value everything. You have to add everything into to the 10 rupees. It should not go out of your pockets. आपके जेब से extra पैसा नहीं जाना चाहिए. तो considering that, आपने पहले तो उसकी लागत उस product को बनाने में, क्योंकि as far as Crazy Petals is concerned, we are also not buying something and just selling like that. मुझे उसमें manual labor उसमें add करना होता है. So उसका labor, उसका raw material cost वो ऐड करना है आपने. उसके पीछे जो आर्टिजन्स ने काम किया है उसका वेजेस आपने जो पे किया है वो ऐड करना है. मैं आपको बहुत सिंप्लीफाइड और बेसिक लैंग्वेज में बता रही हूँ, एकदम सिंप्लीफाइड तरीके से. आपके उसके लागत 10 रुपीज इज योर कॉस्ट प्राइस टू गेट द मटेरियल, एंड उस पर आर्ट वर्क करने के लिए जो आपने लेबर पे किया है उसका से सपोज 10 रुपीज उसका हो गया आपका. फिर उसको मार्केट करने के लिए आपने जो कोई जगह फाइनल की है उसके पीछे अगर आप कुछ रेंट पे कर रहे हैं उसका 10 रुपीज ऐड कीजिए। हैंडलिंग चार्जेस वो उस जगह पे रख रहे हैं आप, उसका डिस्प्ले, उसका एम्बियंस, उसके लिए भी कुछ कॉस्ट लग रही है, तो वो एक एक्स अमाउंट आपको उसमें ऐड करनी है। उसके बाद आपको उसका ट्रांसपोर्टेशन, उसको लाना ले जाना, उसके पीछे जो ये आपने स्पेंड किया है वो भी आपने कंसिडर करना है। ये सारी चीजें ऐड करने के बाद आती है बात आप पे। आप जो ये कंसेप्ट डिजाइन कर रहे हो, जिस पे आप इतना मेहनत कर रहे हो, so where do you rate yourself into that journey? If it is your new launch, you are taking lots of efforts into that. You have to convey that concept and why this why someone has to spend so much on this product. You should be clear, very clear with this plan also. तो ये आपकी हो गई टोटल लागत उसके पीछे। And you being a creator, being a designer, where do you rate yourself? उसमें आपका आपने मार्जिन ऐड करना है 10%, 20%, जो भी है, तो वो आपने रखते हुए फिर उसकी कॉस्टिंग निकलनी चाहिए। इसमें से आपने कोई पार्ट मिस आउट नहीं करना है। हाँ, अभी ये मेरा ही प्रोडक्ट है, अभी नया लॉन्च कर रही हूँ तो मैंने सस्ते में बेचना चाहिए, डोंट गो विद दैट। कोई हड़बड़ी में मत कीजिए। रिस्पेक्ट योर क्रिएशन, योर टाइम ऑल्सो। ये जब हम करना स्टार्ट करते हैं तभी उस प्रोडक्ट की एक्चुअल कॉस्ट बिल्ड होती है और उसकी फाइनल कॉस्ट आपकी डिफाइन होती है। एंड दैट विल आल्सो एनकरेज यू। आप 100 रुपीज मत रखिए खुद के डिजाइनिंग चार्जेस, 10 रुपीज रखिए। कुछ तो आपको मोटिवेशनल अमाउंट होनी चाहिए। से सबको आपके सिर्फ ड्रीम्स है, पैशन है, सारी चीजें हैं, बट मनी इज ऑल्सो वन ऑफ द फैक्टर विच विल एनकरेज यू, विच विल मोटिवेट यू टू रन दिस एंटायर शो। ये साइकिल चालू रखने के लिए ये चीज भी जरूरी होती है। पैसे की बात पैसे से ही होती है। तो ये सारी चीजें, सारा लेबर जाने के बाद आपको वो शो रन करने के लिए 10 रुपए बचने चाहिए। ये भी बिकॉज आई एम बीइंग इनटू अ कॉज, आई अंडरस्टैंड मेरा कहाँ कहाँ कंट्रीब्यूशन हो रहा है। सो आई एम वेरी क्लियर अबाउट माई प्रॉफिट मार्जिन्स कि ये चीज इतनी बचनी ही चाहिए ताकि मैं उसको री इन्वेस्ट कर सकूं। क्योंकि मैं एक साड़ी वीवर को बनाने दे रही हूँ तो उसमें उसको लूम सोर्स करना है, उसका लेबर जा रहा है। इट इज नॉट ऑन पावर लूम, इट इज ऑन हैंड लूम। एक साड़ी बनाने के लिए उसको 8 घंटा लग रहा है, उसका उतना मैनर उसमें जा रहा है, उसका घर चल रहा है उससे। तो ये सारी चीजें कैलकुलेट करके फिर उसका कॉस्टिंग निकलना चाहिए। While doing this practice, I'm again telling you, it should encourage you as well. So, इस तरह से आपकी वो कॉस्टिंग निकलती है। प्रॉफिट मार्जिन, हाँ, डिपेंड करता है आपका सारा ट्रांसपोर्टेशन, सारी चीजें ऐड करने के बाद योर प्रॉफिट मार्जिन, एंड देन यू शुड फाइनलाइज द फाइनल कॉस्ट ऑफ दैट। I hope, Amrita, I'm clear.
Yes. I'm so happy. I'm so glad. And you've just spoken about the value added method in economics. So I'm very glad that you have.
Because I'm not from economics background, not from finance background. Everything is here in front of you. I'm again practicing everything.
Because you have learned, it's hands-on experience.
Yeah.
So what we have learned from book, you have actually told that. It's a very aptly said and very
coming from the expert.
Yes, from the heart, I know. And that's why I raised this question, that they must know that how to price, how to rate myself, my own creation. How you said that we should not harbari nahi karna chahiye. Right. I should do justice to myself, to my creation. So this is very important, to do justice to yourself. Okay, girls, do you have any question? If you have any question, please write them in the chat box and ma'am will answer one by one. We'll take the questions as they come. Meanwhile, ma'am, we will like to present just a token of appreciation from St. Mira's College. Gautami and Lisa, can we have the appreciation certificate for ma'am?
Yes.
That's really
no, just rotate it, Baba. If you can rotate it, yes, Baba. Thank you so much. Our girls are so good. We made the slideshow in the morning.
Wow. That really means everything to me. I am honored. Thank you so much for appreciating and hearing out.
No, thank you so much, ma'am. Girls, we will also post the feedback link in the chat box. Please do not forget to fill up the feedback form because this is very important for us. If you miss, do not worry. We will also share that in the class group. Are there any questions, Lisa and Gautami?
Ma'am?
Yes.
Ma'am, what will be your future outcomes, like
Okay, thank
the
you.
new product you will launch?
I am trying to reach out different verticals. Now I am planning to work closely with artisans. As far as handloom industry is concerned, I am already there. So creating not just saris, blouses, dresses out of handloom, I am trying to plan to get into home decor as well. Cushions, bed covers, curtains, so that there would be a huge opportunity to work and associate with different weaves and craftsmen and artisans. Everybody doesn't. Everybody won't be your sari client. Everybody won't be your dress clients. So in that way, I'm planning to introduce maximum range of art-based interior as well.
Thank you, ma'am, for your guidance.
Ma'am, I have a question.
Yeah, please.
Ma'am, how to increase your sale and popularity?
When I was when I was running two studios in Pune, there organic footfall was there. So client used to visit me naturally, and word of mouth. Since now I am 11, 12 years old into this industry, so referral से काफी clients reach out होते हैं. Now social media is in, so WhatsApp connects हो गए, आपकी Facebook हो गया, Instagram हो गया, उससे भी काफी सारा कनेक्ट होता है. एंड सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट ये बात है कि रिकॉल वैल्यू. दोज हु आर योर फर्स्ट क्लाइंट, दे शुड कम बैक टू यू आफ्टर 11 years also. So you have to maintain your quality, you have to maintain your service, you have to justify their investment. So this is the biggest key. No matter 10 people are walking in and how many people are shopping from you, but 10 people जो आ रहे हैं उनसे आपने एक फीडबैक वो आना चाहिए कि नॉट नाउ बट आई विल श्योरली कम बैक टू यू अगेन. दैट इज अचीवमेंट फॉर यू. उसी तरह से रिकॉल वैल्यू बढ़ती है. क्रेजी पेटल्स बीइंग अ थीम कंसेप्ट स्टोर, मुझे पहले बहुत अटपटा लगता था क्योंकि वी वर नॉट इनटू ट्रेडिंग. ला रहे हैं और बेच रहे हैं ये नहीं होता था. तो कुछ शॉप्स ऐसी भी थी कि उनसे बहुत सारा वॉक-इन्स भी होता था और सेल आउट भी होता था. सो मेरे पास जो स्टाफ हुआ करती थी वो बहुत डिसअपॉइंट हो जाती थी कि मैम देखिए ना, दिन भर से 50 वॉक-इन्स आए मगर 3 ही कस्टमर्स हुए, 4 ही कस्टमर्स हुए. सो शी यूज्ड टू कंप्लेन मी व्हेन आई यूज्ड टू गो फॉर द क्लोजिंग सेशन इन द इवनिंग. तो मैं उनको बताती थी हम जो काम कर रहे हैं इट्स अ कंसेप्ट बेस्ड. वी आर रनिंग अ कंसेप्ट. ये कंसेप्ट हम कितने लोगों को पहुंचा रहे हैं, कितने लोगों को हम इंस्पायर कर रहे हैं, नॉट नाउ बट कितने लोग आपका नंबर लेके जा रहे हैं, कितने लोग आपको नोटिस कर रहे हैं. दैट शुड बी योर काउंट. सेल आउट कितना हो रहा है इससे ज्यादा आप कितने लोगों तक तो पहुंच रहे हो. वन फाइन डे दैट लेडी who is complimenting you today, she will definitely reach out for you for something or the other. So be consistent, be passionate, don't get demotivated with the outcomes. Negative, हम बाहर मार्केट में बैठे हैं, you can't control the reactions from people coming in, but you have to keep on inspiring yourself कि this is not me, for what I am here, my concept is clear, to reach out. आपको नहीं पसंद आ रहा है, यू गेट द एक्सपीरियंस. मुझे यहाँ आके अच्छा लगा, ये भी किसी ने बोल दिया, दैट इज ऑल्सो एन अचीवमेंट, दैट इज ऑल्सो अ सेल्फ फॉर यू. नॉट टुडे, but a year or two she will definitely come back to you, searching you. So ये recall value maintain करने के लिए you have to maintain your quality. You should not compromise. मैं 2014 में जो प्रोडक्ट बेच रही थी उसी रेट में मैं आज बेचूं पॉसिबल नहीं है, बट मैं वो क्वालिटी तो इंश्योर कर सकती हूँ ना. आई विल कीप ऑन इंश्योरिंग माई क्वालिटी. आई विल नॉट कॉम्प्रोमाइज विथ माई क्वालिटी. यू हैव टू हैव प्रॉमिस विथ दैट, एंड दैट इज द ओनली की टू maintain the recall value of the clients. And of course definitely इसी से recall value आती है और इसी से word of mouth से भी clients बढ़ते हैं और लोग आते रहते हैं. रेफरेंस से बहुत सारे क्लाइंट्स आते हैं आपके पास, ये भी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, another question.
जी.
How to finalize your product? The design you are creating.
Sorry?
How to finalize your product?
Finalize?
That I have to sell it. Yes, ma'am.
No, can you please come again?
Because there are like so many ideas in your head. So how to finalize a single product?
Okay. Yeah. So see, I'm coming from a family, art lovers family I'm coming from. So when I was into my schooling era, I used to embroider, I used to paint. मुझे डांस करने का भी शौक हुआ करता था, तो मैं सीखती बहुत थी. मेहंदी भी सीखना है, ये करना है, पार्लर का कोर्स कर लिया, ये सारी चीजें हैं. बट देयर वाज समथिंग व्हिच ऑलवेज kept on inspiring me. So what was that? I never realized. But while going to office, I ensured मेरा ड्रेस अच्छा होना चाहिए. I should look different. I should look stylish yet elegant in my office. So that was my funda, which encouraged me, and I kept on motivating others also कि मेरे कलीग को बोलिए अरे नहीं ये नहीं पहनना है ऑफिस में, तुम इस तरह के ड्रेसेस पहना करो, तुम्हें ये ज्यादा सूट करता है. तो धीरे धीरे उसका प्रैक्टिस करने से मेरा उसका नॉलेज और बढ़ता गया. और जैसे मैंने आपको बताया, भाई लिविंग इन पीजी मेरे रूममेट्स फैशन डिजाइनिंग के स्टूडेंट्स हुआ करते थे. तो उनको कोई असाइनमेंट, जैसे कि हम कॉलेज में होता है कि यार मुझे एम्ब्रॉयडरी करना बहुत बोर होता है, चल ला तेरा एम्ब्रॉयडरी कर दूं. तो उससे मुझे और पता चलने लगा कि मुझे किसमें ज्यादा इंटरेस्ट है. मैं एम्ब्रॉयडरी में ज्यादा अच्छा कर लेती हूँ, या पैटर्न मेकिंग में ज्यादा अच्छा कर लेती हूँ, या पेंटिंग में ज्यादा अच्छा कर लेती हूँ. सो मुझे वो करते वक्त मुझे एक्सपीरियंस हुआ. सो practicing the things which you like again and again, from there you will get the key to continue. जैसे आप अभी आपने जैसे बोला कि मुझे कौन से प्रोडक्ट पे स्टिक करना है, मुझे नहीं समझ में आ रहा है. आप करते रहो, जो जो चीजें अच्छी लगती हैं वो करते रहो, और एक वन फाइन डे यू विल अंडरस्टैंड कि नहीं, मैं ये करने में जितना टाइम देती हूँ इससे ज्यादा मैं किसी और चीज में कर रही हूँ, वो ज्यादा मुझे इंस्पायर करता है, या फिर मेरा लाइकिंग ये है, मैं इसमें और बहुत अच्छा कुछ कर सकती हूँ. आपका कंटिन्यूअस प्रैक्टिस करना इज इम्पोर्टेंट. एक डिसाइड करके नहीं आती है. कीप ऑन प्रैक्टिसिंग, कीप ऑन री इन्वेंटिंग योरसेल्फ. कल ये चीज बनाई थी, आज ये बनाते हुए कुछ और एंगल से सोचूंगी तो मैं कुछ और नया कर पाऊंगी. लेजेंड नेवर डाई, दे कीप ऑन री इन्वेंटिंग देमसेल्व्स. सो फॉलो समथिंग व्हिच रियली इंस्पायर्स यू, कीप ऑन डूइंग. आप ही को आपके प्रैक्टिस से पता चलेगी, और सिखाने के लिए लोग तो है ही. दे विल डेफिनेटली कम एंड टेल यू वन फाइन डे, तेरा वो डिजाइन से ज्यादा ये बहुत अच्छा है, तुम ज्वेलरी से ज्यादा फुटवेयर्स में बहुत अच्छा कर लेती हो, इसकी और प्रैक्टिस करो.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, by the way, you're looking so stunning.
Sorry?
Ma'am, you're looking stunning.
So beautiful today.
This is what, last night when I was
coming from a college girl, it really means a lot.
No, I'll tell you the story behind this. When I was looking for, what to say and how to prepare myself for you. So I went to internet, I typed Crazy Petals, and I saw everything about you. Immediately, I picked up the photographs and I sent on the group. They said, we are going to make a good PPT for ma'am. And she's so elegant, so beautiful. So this is what something, that we as women, we always love. We love jewelry, we love good dress. And please, Abraita ma'am, can we talk on this? This is such a beautiful subject. And Shubhangi ma'am, she has also joined. Shubhangi ma'am?
Yes. Yes.
Shubhangi ma'am is also there.
Great.
So,
Yes.
she's
Great
also.
session, Mrinalini ma'am. Thank you so much for sharing your journey and
Thank you so
small
much for hearing me.
Yes. Thank you. Thank you.
And we also have a few questions. Shivani and Tanushree, quickly, can we go through the questions and we'll go propose the vote of thanks? And it was lovely meeting you, ma'am.
I'm honored. It's absolutely my pleasure.
Shivani and Tanushree, you all have raised hand. You all have any
Yes,
question? Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Good afternoon. Mrinalini ma'am, I had a question.
Good afternoon.
Yeah, like how have your priorities changed? Like when you first started this company, like how have you changed as a person?
Yeah, this is a really wonderful question. It absolutely changed my life, my vision to see towards the things. A simple IT girl coming from very humble background, very middle class family, to an entrepreneur who leads, who has to manage, and who has the responsibility to run the show. Uh, Several couple of families looking up to me to लिवलीवुड के लिए लोग तुम पे जब डिपेंड होते हैं, आपकी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी और बढ़ जाती है. The day I have started Crazy Petals as a store, I asked God that God bless me with the strength that I will not disappoint people, those who are dependent on me. जो मेरे आर्टिजन्स हैं, जो मेरे आर्टिस्ट हैं, जो क्राफ्टमैन हैं, जिनको मैं ये सपना दिखा रही हूँ, जो मेरे ये सपने में पार्टिसिपेट हो रहे हैं, मेरे ड्रीम्स पे भरोसा करके जो लोग मुझे सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं, मुझे इतनी शक्ति दो कि मैं ये प्रोडक्ट्स बेच पाऊँ, मैक्सिमम लोगों तक पहुंचा पाऊँ. ये जब मैंने अपने आप से डिसाइड कर लिया, मेरी प्रायोरिटीज अपने आप चेंज हो गई. मेरे लिए मैक्सिमम टाइम क्रेजी पेटल्स वाज माय फर्स्ट बेबी, एंड आई हैव टू maintain everything from its brand image, its social media presence, its what you can say, the theme, consistency, the quality, everything. So gradually the priorities have started changing, but consistency is the only key. You have to believe in it and you have to be consistent. मेरा कल का दिन बहुत बुरा रहा, इसलिए मैं कल आज का शो भी अच्छा नहीं कर पाऊंगी. नेगेटिविटी आपको कहीं छूनी भी नहीं चाहिए. You have to learn from your every bad experience and keep on walking, keep on doing it consistently. वो रास्ता ही आपको आपकी मंजिल तक पहुंचाएगा. और आपकी जर्नी ही इतनी मेमोरेबल होनी चाहिए. आपको मंजिल कौन सी है, वो ज्यादा अच्छी थी या जर्नी ज्यादा वंडरफुल थी, ये डिफरेंस भी नहीं रहेगा. अगर आप आपका एवरी डे एंजॉय करो, whatever you create, make it a note कि this is your best creation, give 100%. इसका लगाव दिल से बनाते वक्त रखो, मगर वो बिका नहीं तो जल्दी से दिल टूट जाए ये मत रखो. बिजनेस माइंड से भी करना है आपने, पेशेंस रखने हैं. बहुत पेशेंस की जरूरत होती है हमें जब हम अलग अलग माइंडसेट के लोगों से मिलते हैं. हमें बहुत रिजेक्शंस आती हैं. रिजेक्शंस के लिए हमेशा ओपन रहना चाहिए. वी कांट गो एरोगेंट because we are on a mission to reach somewhere. So किसी को अच्छा नहीं लगा, उसने कुछ ऊंच नीच बोल दिया, तो आपको जस्टिफिकेशन में उसको इंसल्ट करना है जरूरी नहीं है. because you trust your product, you trust your motivation, you trust the people's hope behind you. Just keep on doing your best and your priorities will automatically change and they will fall in line. My family was not supportive to me earlier, but they trusted me the way I was running behind my dreams. मैं फैब्रिक्स जहाँ से जैसा मिला, as I told you कि IT में थी, इतनी ज्यादा सेविंग्स नहीं थी. इंटीरियर करने के लिए कुछ पैसा लगा. I borrowed it from my friends जो मुझे सपोर्ट कर रहे थे. हर तरह के स्ट्रगल से जाके फिर ये चीज बनी है. जो लोग मुझे ऑब्जर्व कर रहे थे कि ये कर क्या रही है, साल भर में दूसरी जगह भी काम स्टार्ट कर दिया है. एंड शी इज कंसिस्टेंटली डूइंग दिस एंड रीचिंग आउट पीपल अक्रॉस इंडिया एज वेल. एक शो मेरा आउट ऑफ पुणे हमेशा होता था. तो वीकेंड्स मेरे पुणे के एग्जीबिशंस हैं, 2 स्टोर्स हैं, और पोस्ट फॉर कॉज के साथ मैं एग्जीबिशंस भी करती थी, हैंडलूम शोज पार्टिसिपेट करती थी. आई जॉइन सम सोशल मीडिया ग्रुप्स ऑल्सो, जहाँ पे मुझे साड़ी एज अ ग्लैमरस आउटफिट फोकस करना है, इनकरेज करना है इंडियन आउटफिट, इंडियन अटायर को, ताकि हम कहीं ना कहीं से इंडियन हैंडलूम वीवर इंडस्ट्री को सपोर्ट.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
She left the meet.
She left the meeting.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, I'll just see, look into it, that whether she just. I'll just track. Just hold on, Baba. Abradita, ma'am, what shall we do? Because no, her phone is also switched off.
Yeah, maybe.
I'll just try it once more. Let me see. Because we would just say the vote of thanks for her and would have ended. Let me just try. We'll just wait for a minute. I'm on the phone. I'll just try to connect. Abradita, ma'am, I'm not able to connect.
Okay, so we will do one thing, Basu ma'am. We can send out anyways the certificate you have to send her. Email, through email. We can write your whatever your vote of thanks is. We'll write one paragraph for her and we will send it off along with the certificate.
Okay, so we'll thank the audience for being there.
Of course, of
yes.
course.
So Gautami Baba, can you propose the vote of thanks?
A very good afternoon to one and all present here. It is my immense pleasure to present the vote of thanks. We thank Mrs. Brunali Manakne for addressing this session. I would like to thank Mrs. Principal Ma'am, the organizing team, the Center of Women Entrepreneurship, Institute Innovation Council for organizing such an event. It was a great pleasure. I would like to thank the audience for making this session a grand success. We would the thoughts of Mrunalini ma'am has inspired us and has created a place in our heart. We will follow them and try to incorporate them in our lives. Thank you. Thank you once again.
And the feedback link will be posted in your class group. Do fill the feedback form. It is very, very important for us. So can we?
Yeah, 1 minute, Basu ma'am. Thank you so much for coordinating last moment. Thank you to all the girls. You all did a superb job. Thank you so much.
Yes, Gautami, all of them have done very well.
Ma'am.
Yeah.
Very
due
well.
to this
Tanushree,
disorder.
Ashmi, Gautami, and Lisa, all of them have done really
Yes,
well.
yes, definitely. All thank you so much. And thank you, Basu ma'am, for your special words. Without you, I don't think the
No,
program would
no.
have taken place. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yes,
Thank
ma'am.
you,
Thank you,
Abraita, ma'am.
Basu ma'am.
Thank you, Baba.
So we can end the meeting.
Yes, we can end.